Today, I received an SG-style Chibson guitar, a replica of a legendary guitar, brand that instantly brings back the classic rock vibe. As soon as I opened the box, the guitar gave off its signature presence, a thin body with two small horns. A mix between a Stratocaster and a Les Paul, but made to look even more aggressive. Its metallic black finish looked elegant. On the headstock, the Chibson logo and SG truss rod cover were surprisingly neat for a replica. The sonokeling neck with trapezoid inlays added a touch of vintage appeal, while the dual humbucker, pickups and 4 potentiometer knobs reflected the true SG layout. But one thing immediately caught my eye. The body was covered with several stickers. They were ruining the beauty of the metallic black finish. And honestly, it bothered me. I had no choice. I had to remove them all. I prepared 3 simple tools: a scrub pad, a microfiber cloth, and eucalyptus oil. I started by pressing and lifting the scrub onto the sticker surface, not scraping harshly, but tapping and pulling gently. This method helped lift the remaining adhesive without damaging the clear coat. If some glue was still left behind, I pressed the loose sticker back onto the spot to pull the residue off. Slowly, all the stickers and glue came off. Next, I applied a bit of eucalyptus oil to any sticky areas left. I wiped it with a microfiber cloth until the metallic black surface returned smooth and clean. The guitar started looking much neater, but when I tilted it under the light, I noticed fine dust particles around the knobs, under the strings, and along the body edges. So I continued with detail cleaning. Using a small soft brush, I swept dust out of the potentiometer knob gaps. The dust fell right off, and I finished it with the microfiber cloth. Then I moved under the strings, brushing off dust around the pickups and bridge. No need to loosen the strings. Any slightly oily spots were cleaned again with a small drop of eucalyptus oil. Slowly, the entire guitar surface became clean, smooth, and shiny. The metallic black that was previously dulled by stickers and dust now reflected light perfectly again. In the end, this SG Chibson looked like it had just come out of a showroom, ready for review, photos, or to be played right away.